Hello all. In previous video I already told you guys how to make the drawing for the assembly for bar assembly drawing. So we are going to make this bar assembly drawing. Before going to make bar assembly drawing, you have to make the individual parts. So I already made this individual part in Catia. So here you can see this is the bar of given dimension, and this is the bar, and this is the block. So now move to the assembly part. If you want to see how to make this bar and this block, then you can go to my Catia playlist. So now we will make the assembly drawing of bar assembly drawing. So go to mechanical design, assembly design, okay, and then go to existing component. I am assuming that you already know some of the tools and how to customize of the your Catia. So I'm going to existing component, I'm going to product, two bar assembly block part. Okay, I already selected. Okay, close, and I'm going to fix this one. So now I'm just placing this like, okay, I'm going to import other one, that is bar assembly using cart part 2. Okay, now this is my bar. By using string this manipulation, I had already selected this in y direction, so it is moving in y direction. You can choose anyone. If you want to rotate, you can rotate also. So okay, now to make a coincidence, you have to go to coincidence command, and then select this. First of all, select coincidence, and then select this center line, and update. Okay, now after updating, you have to go and this offset command, go to this command and this circle, and give a offset distance of 140. So it is of 160. Why I am giving offset, I will show you here. It is of 160 length and it is of 20. If this bar go 20 inside of this bar, then remaining part will be 140. So give 140 and go to update. Okay, now you can see that it is perfectly matched with this part. Okay, I will show you guys. So this is here, and this is not going far away from this, and it is perfectly matching. So I'm going to, okay, I'm going to again go to update. So now it is exactly match with the whole. Now again I'm going to this existing component and product. I already show you guys where to go. I'm doing it too fast, so don't worry. I'm also showing you to where to go, where not to go. So where to go, I'm not telling you where not to go. So bar assembly, okay, I need this one, and by using string manipulation I'm just, okay, I want to change this one, and I'm selecting this X, and I'm doing little just dragging it little far away from this. So don't worry if it going to do here, and if you just by mistakenly go and just locate, just place it where you from the assembly, then don't worry. Once you clear this this update, it will automatically go here and just assemble here. so not to worry guys. So now for this part, go to coincidence. For this this center line coincidence, and then go to offset command, select this one and this part, and again give this 140. Okay, click on update command. Now you have to again go to existing command and product and go to part, block part. So okay, the block part is here but it is not showing, so you have to go to exclude, and okay, now it is here guys. So this is our fixed part, so don't do anything to this. So I am going to manipulation and y direction and just dragging it here, and I'm going to update this one. So now what to do, you have to just go to coincidence and just select this center line and this center line. After doing this one, so it is don't do it is not necessary for doing this same, because if it go to this bar, then it will also go, so not to worry. So give the this the from this end go to, and here and between this and the offset distance is how much. Here the bar is 160 mm length, and it is the distance between the bar will be 100. So I will show you. This is the distance between the two bar. So distance between the two bar, I am assuming that the distance between two bar is 100 mm and 20 mm outside, because it is 20, it is 20, it is 100, and this will be 20. This must be 20, so that the sum will be 160. So now you have to go here and give a offset distance of 100. Press this one. Okay, control. Okay, I made a mistake guys, so sorry. Okay, I didn't thought that it will come here, so I have to go here and here. Okay, I'm going to make a coincidence, this one and this one. Okay, and then go to again to the coincidence, so it will create trouble for me future. So now it is also done. Now go to offset command and select this one, select this surface. In between this surface, the offset distance is how much? 100. So now okay, what is this? This is giving me this 100. Okay, string manipulation, no problem. Now you have to make this dense command and go to this offset command, and between these two command, I am giving of 100. Okay, now it will fit. Okay, don't change the direction of this. Okay, now it is in opposite direction guys. So I have to also coincide this one also. So I'm going to just back here. I'm going to exclude this one and I'm going to update this one. Now coincidence, go to here. I will coincide okay. I'm searching for the center line of this hole, so I'll go look closer. Now it will show me. Okay, now coincidence has been done. Now you have to give the offset of 100 mm 100 mm. Go to update command. Now it is exactly opposite what you want, so in same direction. So what I have to do is I have to go, this part is coincidence with this part. Okay, let me do this. Okay, now I have to exclude this one. Okay, now I'm going to this one. Now I am giving the again coincidence, this one. What the, do I already give this constant? Okay, no problem. Go to coincidence, this one and this one. Okay, again I have to go here and this one. Okay, now this must be coincidence with this. Coincident with this. Okay, Control Z. With this, what to do? First of all, go to string manipulation and rotate in this axis. No. Stick manipulation, rotation. Now I have to rotate like this. Okay, this one. This one this one coincidence with this one. Okay, okay, and then now just use string manipulation and just select x, not x, y. Okay, sorry, this one, and give the now go to offset command, select this one and this one of what 100. Okay, go to this command and delete it because it is giving me a hard time. So now in this way we can make our assembly drawing for the bar assembly. So now I want to, okay, it will show me in this way, so I will just put it here like this, and you can see from here what exactly in the photos also. So this is what we want. So thank you for watching.